Hello and welcome to today's video on Everfit's recipe books. To begin, I'm going to show you where to find the recipe books feature. So all you have to do is log in onto the web platform, click onto library, and you'll find the recipe books just underneath the meal plans and recipes here. I have a couple of recipe books already built out, as you'll see here, but I'm going to show you how to create a new one from scratch. So you can click onto create recipe book, and here you'll get an option of an interactive book which will use any recipes within Everfit's database and any of the recipes that you create yourself on the Everfit system. And then we also have the option for you to upload full PDF books like you may have done previously in the resource collections. For this example, we're going to build out an interactive book and we're going to call this Low Carb Recipes. When you click on to create, you'll be able to see that you can change the photo to match the recipe book. You can upload your own too. You can add a description, and then you can also add recipes as well. When you add recipes, you'll get this interface where you can filter based on the type of meal it is. You can also filter based on the calories and any dietary requirements too. A small hack is that you can see the full macro breakdown on the recipes as you go through too. So if I was looking for a low carb meal, I can just do that based off the macros here. I'll just click onto a few recipes, and when I add them to the recipe book, this is what will appear like, and your clients will then have the flexibility to go ahead and add their own recipes into their meal plans, log them to their macros, and build their own shopping lists too. To assign it to a client, all I have to do is go onto my client page, click onto the client, go onto meal plans, recipe books, and then you can assign new recipe books for that client here. I hope this overview is helpful. If you have any questions, then be sure to reach out.